We're getting the mower loaded up on the gooseneck. We got Ben and the skiddy. Right now we're just trying to hold the light. Oh. No problem. It's going around the barn now. Oh. All right, we made it to the gooseneck. Trying to load this thing up. I think we just about got it. This don't look too hard. Now we'll just try. We're centered, Aaron. Right there.
I'll keep coming a little bit. I hope. Right there.
There we go.
Yep.
Tell your forks down once he's got it down. Okay. What's going on, man?
Time to back this thing back in the shed, you know what I mean?
A little more on this side. Straight back now. There you go. Straight back in there. All right, just keep coming. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. You want all the way back? All right, just keep coming. You got like 4 feet. Oh, that'll be good. So, basically what happened is, at the beginning of the hay season, we bought a Kubota DM 1024 disc mower. It's like 9-foot cutting width, something like that. It doesn't have a conditioner, but we figured we'd try it out. It's a decent mower, laid a decent cut, but it like sucked the hook up to the tractor. It just wasn't worth it to us. I didn't like the way it worked, like for what we do. So we ended up selling it, and it was packed away in a barn, so we had to get it out and load it. That's all we did. Put that disc mower back in the barn? You're dang right I did. So here's our So here's our tire we blew out on the way here on the skid steer. I think it'll still hold air though.
Yeah, it's still good for another couple miles.
Yeah, be alright. Yeah, no doubt.
Where are we going, boys?
Freezes.
Wait, hey, did you guys like say it's not going nowhere when you finished strapping up the trailer?
This is ridiculous. I gotta go make sure. We ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere.
It ain't going nowhere. We're good to go, boys.
Hey, it's Lucas! Hey, Lucas!
Fun fact, they actually had to bolt this down because someone stole it. But they returned it because they didn't want charges back. So they returned it.
The waitress just threw this water at Trent here. Yeah. She dropped it on the table and threw all over him. He's a little soaked.
A little moist.
Work it, Aaron! Ah! All right, it's a new day. I got my white truck in the front garage finally. so we can start working on it. This was the first truck that I had personally bought myself and drove on the road. It's got a high pressure oil problem. I think it's dummy plugs or standpipes, so I'll take care of that. So be pulling valve covers off. Turbo's got to come off and be gone through. It sticks, the VGT stick, and somewhere in the valley there's a coolant leak. So, or well, somewhere just in general there's a coolant leak. I'm not really sure where it's at. So that's something I need to figure out. Also, while it's in here, I need to finish putting the mirrors back on it. I took the mirrors that were on it, the newer style Super Duty mirrors. They were set on this. I took it off, put it on my dually. Now I'm putting like the older style mirrors back on this. I gotta put door panels back in it, gut the interior, clean it, put a seat in it, and then get all my junk out of the bed too. So I think we got real good positioning too, because this toolbox is right there. Grab a tool, work on the truck, set something on the workbench, but the workbench needs cleaned off. It's a mess. I had a truck that I parted out, and there's parts everywhere for it, including like right here. So I just need to get all that straightened out and then start working on this fella. I think that's going to conclude our video. Thank you for watching Triple Down Productions. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that jazz. We'll see you next time.